Well, here's an estate pipe that I'm going to clean up. It's in pretty sad shape. It's just a rather inexpensive Willard pipe, but the stem is really very oxidized. The collar, the metal collar here is pretty messed up. The whole pipe is pretty nasty. So let's do it a little at a time. I'm going to do this in stages. I'm going to start with the stem. I'm going to soak it in some OxiClean for maybe 2 hours, mainly just to loosen up that oxidation, make it softer and easier to clean off. It doesn't really remove the oxidation by itself. Anyway, I've got the OxiClean, I've got a little jar of a container of water. I'm going to put about half a scoop of OxiClean in the container of water, and I'm going to stir it up a little bit. And just drop this in there, let it soak for a while. Now I'm going to start with the bowl. I'm going to ream it first. This is the Castleford reamers set. Let's see, I think the smallest one will probably fit here. Yeah. Yeah, didn't really need a lot. That's pretty good. Enough for my purposes. Now I'm going to top the rim of this bowl. This is 220 sandpaper. I'm just going to lay it down, and now I'm going to have to do this on the edge of the desk here so I don't scrape the stem. A little more. Alright, I'm going to put that aside, and I'm going to go to 400 grit sandpaper. This is wet dry sandpaper. Just to smooth that out a little bit more. I'm going to stop there. Now I'm going to see if I can clean the metal collar on the stem. I've got a bowl of alcohol here, and I'll try that first. A little bit's coming off. There we go. I got most of it. I'm going to put this bowl in the alcohol overnight to get rid of the stain, and then I'm going to restain it, sand it and restain it. But first, let me see if I can polish up this metal collar. I have two products here. One is semi-chrome and another one is Flitz. They both work quite nicely. Just a little bit, doesn't take much. And rub that in nicely. Yeah, it looks like it's shining up a bit. Yeah, I could continue, but I'm just going to stop. And let's see. Yeah, it's shining up pretty nicely. I could do a lot more, but all right. I think I'll just drop this in the alcohol and leave that overnight to get rid of as much stain as possible. And I'll come back and we'll do some more.